Happy Raksha Bandhan everyone. So for this Rakhi we tried something different, which is chocolate kaju laddu. Here I have taken 2 cups of kaju and 1.5 cup of sugar. Take a mixer and grind 2 cups of cashews coarsely in pulse mode. Now take a pan and add 1.5 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water. Let it boil for a couple of minutes. Now add finely coarse kaju and mix well. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk powder to it. Mix well so that no lumps are formed within the mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and mix well. Take 2 tablespoons of water. Pour a small amount of mixture and check whether the kaju paste is formed properly. Once the paste is formed, pour it into a greased tray. Let it cool for some time and then form a dough and keep it aside. Now take 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, milk powder and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons of grounded sugar, 1 teaspoon of ghee. Combine the mixture well. Now add 1/4 cup of milk. Blend it well into a paste. Now crush and add the kaju dough into the cocoa mixture. Mix it well, form a dough and keep it aside. Take a chopper, add desired dry fruits of your choice and blend it. Now take a small amount of laddu, flatten it and add crushed dry fruits to give it a laddu shape. Roll it in a desiccated coconut. Now your delicious kaju chocolate laddu is ready to serve.